Share ko lang yung top 5 best food finds namin this November. Hey friends, at top 5 is M Bakery. If you're looking for cakes, cupcakes, and other baked goods, hindi ka madidisappoint dito. Favorite namin yung tres leches nila, the best. At top 4 naman is Merienda by Pan de Manila. Nothing wow with their food but it's reliable, comforting, and hits the spot kaya binabalik-balikan namin. Good for breakfast, merienda, pati lunch and dinner. Sa top 3 is Calderon. One of the best paellas na natry namin is their paella negra. Pero yung steak paella din kasi sulit talaga. And don't skip the croquetas negra and salpicao. Top 2 naman natin is Yayoi, specifically for their spicy chicken na bantay shoku. Ito yung madalas na go-to namin when we're looking for a comforting and satisfying meal. And ang top 1 natin this month is Dillingers. Definitely now the most sulit steak we've had. Kasi for the quality of beef and yung way of cooking nila, sobrang bang for the buck. Friends, recommend naman kayo ng dapat namin kainan or itry sa December. That's it friends. Bye!